You need a drink, Jack?
No, I'm fine. Okay, well, what's up, guys? It's Jack A here, back in another video. And today we're doing another second WWE match inside this house. I'm here with the one and only Dan The Burping.
You sure, Jack, you don't want
No, I'm
a
fine.
Mountain Dew?
No, I'm fine. I'll have some tomorrow.
I have a full case there, buddy.
I know. I'll have some tomorrow.
Do you have some today?
No. So I'm here with the one and only
Let's go, buddy.
I heard the one and only Dan The Burping. Dan,
Oh.
guys, say hi.
Hi.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, Jack, not too long.
I know. 1, 2. Oh, Dan The Burping kicks out.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Door.
Oh.
1, 2.
Oh.
Not too long, Jack.
I know. I heard you. Oh.
Duh.
Oh, he's about to do a choke slam.
Duh.
Oh.
Oh. 1, 2.
Oh. Oh. Oh, he's gonna do a choke slam. Oh. Oh.
1, 2.
Oh. Jack A kicks out.
Oh.
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 Can you do it? Oh.
Oh. 1, 2.
Oh. Jack A kicks out.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. No.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
1, 2.
Oh. Jack A. Kick us out.
Oh.
Oh.
1, 2.
Jack A kicks out. Oh. Oh, dance, baby, so good. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. 1, 2. Oh.
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 Oh. 1, 2. Oh.
I kick out.
Ah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
1, 2.
Oh.
Ah. Oh. 1, 2. Ah. Oh. Ah.
It's over. It's over. 1, 2. Dan The Burping kicks out.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Ding, ding, ding. Here's your winner. Dan The Burping. Oh my god, he beat me. Oh, I can't really fight him. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for the video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Jack A. Subscribe to my friends' channels. Make sure to smash the like button. So like, subscribe, favorite. That was